Fall flower gardens can be just as colorful and pretty as summer gardens, it just takes a little planning. Let's explore 15 fall blooming plants, which really makes a great impact to your home gardening. Lantana is a very drought-tolerant, perennial flowering plant in warm zones, and an annual in places with frosty winters. Fast-growing lantana produces rounded clusters of small, brightly colored flowers, in yellow, orange or pink from summer through fall season. Easy-to-grow asters are best flowering perennial plants, comes in a variety of shapes and colors that adds vibrant dome-shaped flowering clusters to the landscape from late summer through fall season. Asters are best fall season flowering perennial, with flowers that are in white, pink, rich purple, and showy lavender colors. Asters are best option for fall container plants, along with other fall blooms, for porch area decorations. Chrysanthemums, also known as mums, can give you color until the first frost days of late fall season. We can say mums are the star of fall gardens. Mums come in a rich range of colors, including white, yellow, orange, lavender and red. They're easy to grow and can be used in beds, borders and containers. Echinacea, commonly known as coneflower, is a wonderful addition to the landscape, with its brightly colored blossoms to be enjoyed over a long flowering season. Echinacea flowers are large and daisy-like, with a distinctive spiky centers, comes in a range of colors, including shades of purple, pink, white, and yellow. These easy-to-grow coneflower perennials prefers full sun, and perfect choice to add front rows of flowering beds. Sedum autumn joy and Sedum firecracker are very drought-tolerant perennials plants, with captivating pink blooms for late summer to fall season. SM firecracker is ground-covering plant with attractive blooms with succulent-like foliage. And autumn joy is easy-to-grow perennial plant, with showy large pink cluster blooms, too easy to pair up with other perennials in the landscape. Plectranthus, Mona lavender is a upright and rounded perennial that typically grows up to 2 feet tall and wide. Mona lavender comes with showy multicolored leaves in irregular patterns, and blooms in blue to white nettle-like flowers from mid-summer to early fall. It is a very subtle perennial to plant for fall season blooming. Coreopsis, commonly known as tickseed, prized for its bright color flowers, and their ability to put up with most garden soils. Coreopsis produce showy, daisy-like flowers, mostly in shades of rich gold, yellow and orange, from summer to early fall season. Angelonia is grown as an annual in cooler climates, but grown as a perennial in cold hardiness zone 9 and higher. Angelonia shows clusters of tiny orchid-like flowers, bloom in white, violet and pink racemes blooms, from late summer to early fall. Common sneezeweed, known as Helenium Autumnale, an attractive perennial plant, flowers numerous daisy-like flowers, in golden yellow color from late summer to fall. Common sneezeweed is also known as Helen's flower, shows attractive foliage, lance-shaped dark green foliage. It is an easy-growing perennial plant for fall gardening. Anise hyssop, it is herbaceous perennial plant. It contains sweet fragrant leaves and provides spikes of vivid lavender blue bottlebrush blooms. Tall blooming starts from midsummer and lasts till the early fall season. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9, it grows 30 to 36 inches tall and 12 to 24 inches wide, a perfect perennial plant with fragrant leaves for back row in the garden bed. Mexican heather is a very tidy, compact shrub, shows small, trumpet-shaped flowers bloom from summer to frost. Grows reaching up to 2 feet tall and 4 feet spread, best for containers, borders for multi-season interest. Drift rose is one of the most popular plants around. These dwarf rose can grow only 18 inches tall and about 3 feet wide, with an arching, graceful shape. Drift rose a very drought-tolerant dwarf bush plant, with showy blooms in attractive pink flowers, from early summer to late fall season. Definitely a must-have shrub, for year-around attractive blooms. Celosia spicata is a summer to fall blooming annual, grown as an ornamental, for its distinctive flower spikes, that adds bright pink flavors to landscape. This is a short-lived perennial from zones 9 to 11. Celosia, a perfect container plant, with beautiful bright pink blooms to go with other fall blooming plants. Snapdragons are a great addition to any garden, as it blooms the bright flowers, that come in almost every color this cool season. Annua flowers, fit right in with pansies, and violas. Snapdragons looks good, in mixed containers, or cut for bouquets. Caryopteris, commonly known as bluebeard, is one of the most popular cultivars, which bears soft, silver-green foliage. It is grown for its stunning purplish-blue blossoms, from midsummer to fall season. Bluebeard adds a much-needed splash of garden color, from midsummer to late fall. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Do not forget to give a like to this video. If you are interested in more home and garden videos, please subscribe to my channel House Talks. A new video is uploaded every week. Thank you and have a great day.